was to see Sterling Moss, and this is a treat for me. I just love everything about the Auto Unions. And this is Nick Mason driving the Auto Union, the D-Type. This is the D-Type Doppel compressor.
Yeah.
1939 car, 3-litre, and a car that will have been racing at the British Grand Prix at Donington just before the outbreak of war. For the spectators to see technology such as that in its day, they must have thought something had landed from another galaxy.
Yeah, which actually almost had. Yeah, an event that was really the mainstay of the Voiturettes, the Rileys, the ERAs, little spindly, small capacity British-built machines.
Supercharged twin-cam Austin 7s.
Yeah, and then these monsters turn up. I mean, it will be like the Mercedes Grand Prix team turning up to a BARC Formula Renault race at Mallory Park with Lewis Hamilton and Nico Rosberg. That's what it would have been like with Bernd Rosemeyer, Hermann Lang, Rudolf Caracciola, Richard Seaman, all the superstars, Tazio Nuvolari, superstar gods of the day. I wish I'd seen that. I really wish I'd seen that.
Murray Walker, who was commentating with you yesterday, Henry did, of course.
Yeah, I know, yeah.